Hello everybody, this is Apurv A Mehraa. I am the managing partner and co-founder of Mehra and Mehra Legal LLP. This video is in continuation with the Influencer series, which is a collaboration between Mehra and Mehra Legal LLP and ASCII. Today, let's talk about negotiations and how they play an important role and how do you go about a negotiation. Now, negotiations play a very important role when it comes to any content creator out there because it helps them create a win-win situation wherein they generate enough income or they get enough exposure, and whereas the brand gets to put their word out. In my experience of working in the content creation industry, I had come up with an eight-step process that always helped me strike the best deal with that was for me as well as the brand. So I thought let's share that with you. The first point was always ask the brand for their budgets. What it does is it provides you with an idea as to how much the brand is willing to spend on your project. Secondly, know where you can negotiate on. It could be either the monetary compensation aspect of it, or your timeline, or your deliverable, or it could even be exclusivity for that matter. Or there are multiple aspects. If you read the blog, you'll get to know them more about them. Thirdly, know your numbers. By knowing your own numbers, what you do is you provide a sense of security to the brand. Plus, the brand knows what they're getting into and what kind of reach are they expecting out of this campaign while working with you. Fourthly, share your old work. What it does is it builds confidence in the brand on you, and it also provides the brand with an idea whether your work is in harmony with the brand's identity. Uh, then comes confirming your deliverables. I mean, before you make a quote or give a quote, always confirm your deliverables. That way, you have an idea, and so does the brand, as to the amount of work that is going to go into the process of this project. Sixth, once you've made the quotation, that is when the sixth point is that is where you negotiate. I mean, negotiations again, you could negotiate on the aspects that I just discussed under point two, where knowing where to negotiate. Then comes seventh point, which is staying calm. Now, there will often come a time where the brand will come up with a counter offer to your quotation saying, and you will not like it. But in these moments, you are expected to stay calm, because the moment you let emotions take over, it makes you lose sight of what you want, right? So stay calm and then go ahead with the process. And lastly, know when to walk away, because obviously, since it's an offer and counter offer situation, there will be certain times where you make multiple offers and the brand comes up with multiple counter offers. But it might reach a point where both of you are going in a circle and there's no winning. No, neither of the party is winning. So know when to walk away and you'll be good. So these are my guidelines that shall help you and aid you with better negotiations. I hope you put these into practice, and I hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.